Giving a custom thumbnail to Asset Browser items?
It is stupid. Yes, stupid.
Get a camera, render an image, save it, load it, blah blah blah. Why? How about I don't put my whole day saving little itty bitty meaningless images? Here's an add-on, Asset Thumbnailer. Click a button and it's done. Instantly, a thumbnail is set. Just select the desired item from the Asset Browser, be it a mesh, a texture, or anything else the browser supports. Then line up your camera, or just your view, to fit the object inside it and click Generate. For the best results, set the resolution to a square. Usually 500 pixels by 500 is pretty much good enough. It works to display meshes, lights, shape keys, and anything else besides. Add text to your view, colors, shading. Take total freedom to produce any image you like and instantly set it as the thumbnail of your selected asset. Bother no more with the amount of gnarly dirt that seep from the chicken's thigh into the farmer's broth. Embrace instead unity and the golden light of the cherishable husk. Or to put it in another way, just get it, it just makes things easier. Okay, say, if you don't want to make things easier, why are you trying to find something that makes things easier? It is conundrum that transcends the space-time continuum!